Today the bitcoins have become very popular. People are in search of the ways to earn bitcoin online. While many know that the bitcoin faucets and the bitcoin BTC are some of the best bitcoin paying sources, there are apps which pay bitcoin for you. Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon. In this video I will show you more detail about best free bitcoin apps for Android platforms 2020. There are a few criteria that need to be followed to pick the perfect wallet apps for Bitcoin, but for that, you also need to stay updated about cryptocurrency and its wallets. 1. Mycelium. Mycelium is considered as the best Bitcoin wallet for Android users because it provides a user-friendly interface for seamless transaction processes. Another feature that stands out is the explicit instructions on the setup and backup of the wallet. The account generated by the user can be hierarchical deterministic, which means that the wallet will use a master seed to produce Bitcoin addresses in sequential order. Hierarchical deterministic is just one type of account, considered to be the best, that can be created in Mycelium. Mycelium operates as an open source, and this enables the website to be accessed easily by the users. 2. BRD Bitcoin Wallet by Bread Wallet. BRD Bitcoin Wallet by Bread Wallet is the best Bitcoin apps for Android, which is known for the simplicity it possesses in handling the transactions and sign-up procedures. Bread Wallet is also unique for the privacy factor that it holds by keeping the user's information protected and confidential. Although it is ideal for novices, as it is simple to handle, it is also recommended to those professional users who like to keep it simple. It's characterized by low cost to almost free of cost and feature of Touch ID login. Bitcoin network gets directly linked to the wallet and an inbuilt customer support facility automatic. Bitcoin address generation provides better privacy and security. 3. Bitcoin Wallet, Airbits. Airbits stands out with the feature of performing automatic backups. It's considered to be the safest mobile app for transferring and storing bitcoins, and due to the same, it is also considered as the best app to buy Bitcoin. Another feature that makes Airbits unique is that it links to various business directories that enable the users to make transactions with the nearby organizations that support Bitcoin. An open access platform has enabled the two-factor authentication. Stepping into the world of cryptocurrency? As footfall in this domain is increasing with every passing day, make sure to take the initial steps in the right direction so that you do not go adrift in the volatility. Depending on your choice, pick the best app for Bitcoin management. For any other query related to Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies, do let us know your thoughts and we will answer your question in the shortest possible time. Stay virtual. And I hope you guys found this video very valuable, and if you have any opinions, please leave your opinion in the comment box below. You enjoyed this video? Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click bell icon to be notified when new videos are uploaded. Hope to see you next video.